In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers in WordPress. Let's dive into it and make sure your website looks exactly how you want it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. You can access this by typing your website's URL followed by wp-admin in your browser's address bar. Once you're logged in, on the left side of your screen, you'll see an option for Appearance. Hover over Appearance, and you'll notice a drop-down menu, then click on Customize. This button will take you straight to the customization options for your theme. Now that you're in the customization section, you'll be able to see various options on the left-hand side panel. Look for the Header option. Depending on the WordPress theme you're using, this might also be under Site Identity. Click on it. Inside, you'll find several settings available to personalize your header. You'll see an option to change your site's title and tagline. This is where you can alter the text that appears in the title bar of browsers when visitors visit your site. If you have a logo, you might want to replace these with the logo image. It's a straightforward point-and-click process. Click the Select Logo button and upload an image from your computer. Ensure that your logo is the right size and represents your brand effectively. You can also choose to display just the title, just the logo, or both. The visibility of these elements can be toggled according to your preferences, allowing you to maintain a clean and effective header. Moving along, you'll find Header Image Settings. This is where you can set a custom header image if you prefer to have a background behind your header elements. Choose an image that complements your site's design aesthetics. Click on Add New Image and upload it from your files. Once uploaded, there are usually options to crop, resize or change the alignment as per your theme's capabilities. Always preview these changes to ensure they align well with your site's look and feel. For more advanced customization, some themes offer additional options like background color, sticky header features, and more. If these features are available in your theme, located under Additional CSS, they can help you add custom CSS code to refine your header even further. If you're comfortable dabbling with a bit of CSS code, this is where you can really make more intricate, personalized changes. Finally, don't forget to click the Publish button when you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made. It's important to save your changes so they reflect on the live site. Now, take a moment to view your website to ensure everything looks just as you've envisioned it. Thanks for following along in customizing your WordPress header. I hope this guide has been helpful, and see you in the next video.